What I'm seeing as the director of the simulation lab here at the VCU School of Dentistry is that we can identify the students that are a little bit slower than average right at the beginning. Our students prepare teeth using DentSim right when they start the D1 year, the first week of school, and that has been a great advantage for us, really identifying people that need a little bit more help. We also see that there is a correlation between the performance in DentSim and the performance later on in dental school. We use DentSim mainly to train the students when they start a new procedure. They're used in the operative course and the fixed prosthodontic course. We also have plans to introduce a pedodontic, arch and models, and also in the endodontic course. Our students, I think, really like DentSim. They like to work on their own pace. They like to be able to evaluate their cutting and their psychomotor skills independently without someone having to look at their work and evaluate it and give them feedback, someone as faculty. Also, the faculty appreciate that because they can see everything very clearly and very accurately on the screen as the students are cutting the preps. DentSim makes or helps students get to a certain level of performance a little bit faster, or a lot faster, and with less faculty supervision. So in terms of curriculum design, if you want to get to a certain point, a certain level of the student performance, then you should definitely use that and change the other things that you do in the curriculum to advance the students faster in other aspects. Instead of using, let's say, a year to get to a certain level, you can get to the same level in 3 months. Whenever a student is doing something, it's recorded in the system, and we can see specifically how they're doing it, what they're doing, and how much time they spend doing everything, any type of information. There's a really large database for all types of cutting-related information. We use it for research, and we also use it for teaching. If we see a certain thing that is being repeated over and over for certain students, then we can go over that information with the student. Let's say here, like over here, I just played one of the procedures, and the students can also look at it themselves and learn from that. It's available to them at all times, and we usually, when there's a problem or there's a question by a student, if they didn't do well on one of the exams, for example, or they are struggling, we will sit with them and use this three-dimensional feedback, which is unbelievable to see how the student got to a certain point, how that problem was created, and we can show them very easily how to fix that problem. DentSim has been very successful at VCU, and we're looking forward to continued developments in that area.